Hello. Right, here we go. We're working. All because I forgot to put that bit back in. So here we have a vivitar, one of them, 70 to 210. I want to get these front elements out because they're full of shit. Well, they were full of shit. And the other instructions that I could find involved taking shitloads off. Anyway, there is a slightly easier way. It's not perfect, but they fucking glued the bloody thing together, didn't they? Right, that bit unscrews. Plate off. What was next? What was next? Oh yeah, this is when that bit of glass comes out. Shit. Try not to smash it up against the lens. So that bit with the groove, that goes towards the back. Now this bit should unscrew. It's had plenty of solvent and stuff on it, but it probably won't. Nope. Do it by the ring on the edge, not on the glass, because the glass is very thin and it's only a press fit into that bit, and I have managed to push it through before, so don't really want to do that. Right, so where is it? Okay, so that screw, that will become invisible later, so you need a mark near the end. You could use a pen or a sticker, but I really couldn't give a shit about this thing. Okay, get on there. Right. So there's 3 of these little screws. I thought I'd save you the pain of watching me actually clean the glass, but I'm just showing you how to get to it. So, and there's fingerprints on it. Big fucking deal. Right, so at this point I want to stick something on the back of this to stop me buggering it up. There we go. Right. So those 3 screws are done. There's a scratch approximately there. Get the magic tool ready. Rubber glove and push down. Right. So that groove there and that bit in there. When it comes to an end there, that groove always has to line up with that. See that screw's disappeared? Where's that scratch gone there? That scratch. So when we're up here somewhere, that scratch needs to line up with that, yeah? And as it does the focusy thing, it goes from there to there. So pay attention where this comes off, because it can go off in many different ways, but I need it to work one way. So pulling that way, and the exact moment where it lets go is where you want it to be. There it is. Then it'll decide it doesn't want to play. It goes back on, and then now we want to mark, so for the centre of that. There. Right, that bit will come off. So we know how to put that back together, yes? Right, ta-da, you can get to the back of that. Clean all the mould out because this thing was really full of mould. Next, that bit went down there somewhere. Let's go into zoom. And then grab the tool. So there's the inside ones for that piece of glass, and then outside ones for the group. Got it moving. Probably loose by now, isn't it? Oh. Bloody thing. Oh, there you go. Right. So, just out of interest, or non-interest, oh yeah, this had all some sort of glue around it as well, which made it extra easy to remove. Okay, so there you got that element, still see signs of crap on that one. Anyway, that's how all that goes together. Right, so I'm not quite sure how that one, but it rattles, but it doesn't come out. Anyway, but that's where this ring came from. I'm not sure if it's something to do with undoing that big ring or something, but that wasn't exactly the purpose of this video. I was just concentrating on the front end of things. See if we can get that in without fucking anything up. Come on. Don't make me use the tool. It won't fucking fit. How the fuck did I do that then? I've done it somehow or another. Shit. That's not the way to use the tool. That's those. Alright. Alright. Tight-ish. Up there. In there. can tell I really enjoy working on this bloody thing. Alright. No, maybe a rubber band or something around this thing to stop it from the zoom from sliding back. But anyway, right, that's done. Right. So I'm pretty sure this bit is supposed to unscrew, but I've tried solvent and stuff on it and it hasn't done naff all. So, right. That goes in there. Oh, what am I missing? Oh, nameplate, that's what I'm missing. So yeah, in theory you can get all your bits of glass clean. Why do I feel like I've missed something out? Oh, that's on the piss. Oh yeah, that bit goes on that bit. Yeah, okay, right. Right, so you've got clean glass, put a bit of grease on that to make it easier. Let's find one of the many scratches on this thing. Okay, I think it was that one. So that's that. So we've got that. Yes, okay. We want to retrieve that bit from there. Don't think this is the correct tool for doing this. Come on. Right, now see there's the scratch where the hidden screw is. So that's somewhere near infinity, and that should be somewhere near infinity. So that's where that thinks it is. Like that. I want those to line up with that. click, that might be cross-threaded. Yep. Now you can see the holes. Oh, that's that bit. One of those really annoying thawing threads.